I'll start coloring the entire page with a grey color. I'm using very light strokes so that the white color of the paper and this grey color gives a very light winter season look. I'm coloring the grey color with very light strokes so that the white color of the paper and this grey color gives a nice winter season look. Now I will take the darkest green and start making a Christmas tree. Now I'll take I'm making lines very close to each other. I'll take all the shades of green one by one. Now I'll take the light green. Which all colors of green are there in your palette, you will use all the shades of green and color one by one. Now with a red color, I'm just making the pot of the Christmas tree and a big star on the top. I'll do the outline of the star with yellow. And we will decorate the Christmas tree with all your favorite colors. At last, I'll take the black color, do the outline of the pot, So this is the Christmas tree.